Hello friends, welcome back to the next video in our MDK series. In the last video we deployed our CAP project. Now in this video I will connect the CAP service with our MDK app and show you how the data appears on the screen. Alright, first we should start the spaces. So in my spaces service assignment service is there. So let's start first. Okay, it is started. Let's check the URL. In my last video I explained this. Okay, it is running. Let's open our CAP project first, and here we can assignment. Here we can run locally so that we can get half URL. Open the terminal and just write cds watch -- profile hybrid. Okay, it is showing some error, revoked or okay. This is because Cloud Foundry login. So now I signed in. Let's try again. Okay, just open it. See here OData /v4 assignment service that we need to copy. Just paste it here and let's check it is working or not. So all the tables are coming here. Let's copy this URL. So first we should subscribe the mobile development kit instance. So let's go to service marketplace and just type mobile. It will show mobile services. Just create, give any name. Just do next and finish. In instance section we can see it is taking some time to create. Let's wait. In my account I already subscribed, so in my new account I'm just showing you like how to subscribe this. Okay, so it is created. Just open this. See, this is the screen for mobile development kit. Here we will go to connectivity. Native and MDK. I already created 3 connectivity and I'm creating new one. Just click on new, choose mobile development kit, first one. We can give any name, but I'm giving com.sap.assignment. Just do next. If we need anything, we can tick a checkbox from here. Just finish it. So new application is created. It is taking a little bit time to create. Okay, it is started. Now let's go to there are lots of options. Let's go to BTP and create destination. But for destination we need client ID, client secret and URL. So we should copy that. Whatever we create application in mobile development kit, just open that from instance section. com.scp.assignment we created. Just view, and from here we can copy client ID, client secret and URL. Now let's go to destination, create a new one, give any name and just paste all the copied details here and the cap service URL. Here whatever URL we copied from instance, that we should copy. Okay, I pasted wrong one. In token service URL we should add two more things: /OAuth/token click on save. Okay, if let's check the connection. Okay, if it is shows 200, okay, that's good. If not, no worries, sometimes it takes a little time to work. Okay, this is our application. Now you have to create one more thing inside connectivity. We should create destination, because that's how our MDK app knows where to fetch the data from. Basically this destination connect our MDK app with the CAP service, the backend which we have created earlier. It stores all the important details like the service URL, client ID and secret. So when we run the MDK app, it can securely talk to our CAP service and get and send data. Like we can perform CRUD operation. Okay, it is created now. Now let's go to our BTP account. This is our CAP project. Now we will create our MDK project. So go to project template. From here we should choose MDK project. Earlier we chose cap project, so there is 3 option. We will choose CRUD. If you will choose a list option or other, then we can't perform, we can't get button like delete, create, edit. I will show you that also. You select standard, and whatever we created destination, that application, that we will select here. com.sap.assignment I created, and the destination we have created assignment, so just select that and next. And from here we can select our entities, so I am selecting all. Just click on next. You can see the folder structure here, and some default pages automatically appears because of the destination we connected earlier. You can see open this folder pages. See, these are default. I haven't created anyone. I haven't created any. If you want, you can create also. Like in this video, I am just giving you a quick overview of how simple and easy MDK actually is. I will walk you through the basic flow and how things look. In the next video, we will go deeper. Like I will explain each and every tool in the MDK project, how to create pages, add validations, and even customize them in our own way. Like this is the standard page, so how we can customize this also. So let's deploy this. It will take some time to deploy. Okay, I'm getting an error. What is that? Okay, our destination is correct. Spaces. This SRV should start. So let's check that one also. I'm using assignment SRV, so it is started. Okay, maybe because of routes. Let's check the error first. Because okay, it is started now. Let's deploy again and check. Okay, it is showing some error. Route quota exceeded. That's fine, it happens in trial account because we can only have a few routes active at the same time. I already stopped too, but still it is showing same error. So let's go again. Okay, here we can delete some route, then it will work. Okay, I'm deleting old one. Now 6 is started. From here also we should delete. Okay, let's go to our application and deploy again. This time definitely it will work. Okay, deployed successfully. Follow this link. See, all the tables are coming here. You can see the data in each table. Okay, in our assignment table there is no data. In teachers we added some, no? So see, it is showing here. And there is an option edit, delete, add, because we selected CRUD. That's why. If you will select list, then it won't. So that's it. And let's open the QR code. You can scan this on your mobile, and it's open the same app on your mobile also. For mobile, we should deploy by selecting mobile service, or you can deploy in both also at the same time. There is an option for that also. That's it in this video. In next video I will explain deeper.